Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So if you're facing this problem, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you can do in order to fix this problem is to simply go to settings. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for settings and click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find various settings options over here. You and Google, autofill and passwords, privacy and security, performance, etc. What you have to do is find the option for search engine and click on it. Now you'll be led to the search engine interface. Make sure Google is the default search engine. You can see over here Google is default search engine for me. If you see any search engine related with Yahoo, make sure to remove it. Also click on this option, manage search engines and site search. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all these search engines over here. If you see any kind of search engines related with Yahoo, what you can do is simply click on the three dots right next to the option for Yahoo. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, make default, delete. Click on this option, delete. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, delete. Now once the Yahoo has been deleted as a search engine, your problem shall be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply scroll down in this interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for extensions. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see all the Chrome extensions over here. See all the extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions over here, make sure to remove it. For example, if you feel that this extension is suspicious and causing the problem, you can simply click on this option, remove. Now you'll be able to see the pop-up over here. Click on this option, remove. Now once the extensions has been removed, your problem shall be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be some different kind of problem. So in that case, what you can do is simply try resetting the Chrome settings. For that, go back to the settings tab. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for reset settings. Click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This action will reset some Google Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will disable the extensions. Also, it will delete the cookies and all the temporary site data. Simply click on this option, reset settings. After that, the settings will be reset and your problem shall be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.